We are definitely water drinkers.
And we try to have clean, purified water. We've always had an inline water filter coming off the faucet to the hose. We even have a whole house water filter that's connected to our Nautilus. And
we also have a Brita pitcher that we carry with us that we run our water through there. Even with all of this past summer, I was looking at the pitcher one day when I was about to fill it and noticed the bottom of it on the inside was full of sediment. That was not good.
Not good at all.
I'm Lynn.
And I'm Danny.
Welcome to RV America,
the original RV America.
We do not like buying bottled water for a multitude of reasons. Number one, it's expensive to keep it.
Yeah. And remember, we were called cheap once because we like to travel on a budget. So we do want to save money there.
Also, we don't like putting all those water bottles into the landfills. It's just not a good idea. We don't want to contribute to the downfall of our environment. And all I have to do is refill my personalized water cup. And that way I have all the water I want all the time.
But when we saw that sediment, dirt, and crud in the bottom of our glasses and bottom of our filter,
it was gross.
We started buying bottled water quick because we were traveling and we did not want to have to deal with that.
Around that time, I saw a video on one of our friends cruising with the Colemans about a Clearsource water system that they had gotten for their RV. And I thought, this is a good idea. So we reached out to Clearsource and they said they would love for us to review one of their water filters. They sent us the Ultra RV water system.
The Mini.
The Mini. We have been using it for the past 2 weeks.
Right. Now stay tuned until the end because we'll tell you what we think. We want to give you an honest review. And can we tell a difference in the water? And do we see any crud at the bottom of our filter, a Brita filter? We'll let you know, so stay tuned.
So now let us tell you about the Clearsource Ultra Mini RV water system.
So let me tell you about the design and the build quality. The Ultra Mini is rugged, very durable. The chassis is aluminum frame, which helps with the lightweight, but also keeps it protected. The fittings are stainless steel, and this makes it the perfect filter that'll fit in tight spaces in any RV. It measures 15 inches wide, 10 inches tall, and only 6 inches deep. And it's only 7.8 pounds. So it is great, as I said, for those tight spots. And you know how as RVers, we are limited on space. So the size of this Ultra Mini is great because it fits right under my Nautilus and doesn't take up much space.
This system uses a 3-stage water filtration system. The first stage is a 5-micron filtration system that removes the sediment and the rust from the water. The second filter is a 0.5 micron filter. The filter is a coconut shell carbon filter that improves taste and smell while it's removing the chlorine and the organic compounds. The third stage is a virus guard filter, and it reduces or removes the stuff in the water that can make you sick. Virus guard filter was developed by NASA, and it removes bacteria, cysts, and viruses. This is a unique feature that sets the Ultra Mini apart from other RV filtration systems.
I did want to tell you that it is easy to set up. We took a flex hose for the intake from the water source, and we also picked up a flex hose to come off the Ultra Mini and just hooked it directly up to the intake, and that way I can just leave this hooked up all the time. That way I don't have to move the Ultra Mini, and as I said, easy to set up.
We have used the water system now for 2 full weeks, and we would like to take this time to tell you what we really like about it.
Yeah. Now, I like that it's compact. We chose the Ultra Mini because it fits in those tight spaces, and as we mentioned, we all struggle to find space for different things.
Yes. And I like the taste of the water.
And I like just how durable it is. It is a well-made piece of equipment, which when we take these RVs going down the highway, bouncing up and down, and I know it's pretty sturdy and not going to break.
And I like the taste of the coffee.
You've got to love the 3-filter system, including the 0.5 micron removal. You don't see that on many filtering systems. In fact, the inline filter that you usually use is about a 20 micron removal. So you're removing so much.
And I like the taste of the ice cubes.
And I really like that 3rd filter, which removes most, if not all, bacteria and viruses.
Campground water can just really be disgusting. And I like the taste of the water.
And I like that it was easy to install and it's easy to maintain.
He really did it really fast. I will say that. It was super fast. Just screwed those ends in and it was done.
Right.
Yep. And I like the taste of the water.
Yeah. And we like that we no longer have to buy bottled water and that we've got great tasting water. It comes out of the tap. And she is someone that has never, ever drank water out of the tap. Now she's saying, this tastes great.
Yeah, I can actually drink it.
We've been at several campgrounds and got the same results.
Yeah. As far as the filters go, we did a little research on it, and they say that as long as the water is flowing good, that means your filters are good. But if your water slows down its flow, that means it's probably time to replace your filter.
If you're an occasional RVer, those filters are going to last you a year. So you might change them annually. If you're a weekend warrior out all season long, then you might want to change it twice a year. And then if you're a full-timer or a most-timer like us, then you're going to change it between 2 and 3 times a year.
Yeah, depending on how much you use it.
Right.
And probably depends a lot on the places you are, how nasty the water is.
Right.
So it will be different for everyone. This has really solved one of the problems that we've had the whole time we've been RVing, which is our water. We really like the system so far. If anything changes on that, we'll be sure to do an updated video and let you know. We think we will really continue to like it because it is awesome so far. If you have any questions or anything about it and we can help you with it, just put it in the comments below and we'll be glad to do our best to get answers for you.
And for those of you that are interested in learning more about it, we'll put a link down below to this system.
Yeah, we're not affiliates with these people or anything. We're just trying out their system to see what we think about it, and we like it.
Yeah, really like it.
So while I'm thinking about it, take a quick minute and hit the subscribe button, the like, and the notification bell. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps us out with YouTube. They promote our videos more. The more people like them and subscribe to us, the more they'll push them out, and the more it helps us. Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.